Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Mitochondria, unless specifically stained, are not easily visible under the microscope. The number of mitochondria per cell is variable depending on the physiological activity of the cell. In terms of shape and size, also considerable degree of variability is observed. Typically, it is usage shaped or cylindrical, having a diameter of 0.2 to 1.0 μm. Each mitochondrion is double membrane bond structure with the outer membrane and the inner membrane dividing is lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, that is outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment is filled with a dense homogeneous substance called the matrix. The outer membrane forms the continuous limiting boundary of the organelle. The inner membrane forms a number of infoldings called the striae towards the matrix. The striae increases the surface area. Two membranes have their own specific enzymes associated with the mitochondrial function. The mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration. They produce cellular energy in the form of ATP, hence they are called powerhouses of the cell. The matrix also possesses single cellular DNA molecule, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes, 70S and the components required for the synthesis of proteins. The mitochondria is divided by fission. Thank you.